Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Okay, Sunday.
Cheyenne?
I'm just joking. I'm not doing it actually. I am actually. Today, I'm going to play some chess.com here. 30 minutes random? Nah. 10 minutes? No wait, 15 minutes plus 10. That's mine. That's my favorite. Start the game now. 4. He's gonna play e5. Classic. Now I play d4. The incredible Danish opening. To all my fellow viewers who are... If I take, I'm going to push. No. Taking is actually good. So, to my fellow YouTubers and my followers, actually, you see, I like the Dutch opening because of en passant. I love en passant, guys. Let's go. And yeah, and chat, if you see a blank screen right now, guys, if you see a black screen, comment down below, alright? Comment down below, chat. Also, let's hit like 100 subscribers. What am I saying? Guys, let's hit 100 subscribers until in the end of the year. Alright? Game, don't mess me up. I really need it. Black screen detected. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh my god. But, yes, he did not see my amazing mate in one. Let's go. Let's go, chat, bro. Go. We just got him, gang, bro. We just got him. Let's go. Just go. Huh? Who is he? War is over. Huh? Is he? Huh? I do not understand this variant of chess. Have you ever played against this robot gang? Like, bro, it's full white. Just like it says in the description. I mean, it's all white. Why did you make it white? Okay, I'm just gonna keep on attacking you. Oh my god, wait, what? I can just take... The white set is literally the same as black setup. Like, gang, that's crazy. No, bro, stop attacking me. I'm castling this side, the queen side, guys. Huh? Did bro try to castle? I'm just going to sack the bishop. Sacrifice the bishop. Oh my god, I cannot castle. Are you serious right now, bro? Are you serious right now, brother? Are you serious? This is revenge. This is revenge. I only see white, bro. That's crazy. Oh yeah, shout out to Gaming Feather, my friend. I think we're going to do a video someday. Try spices. Try the most spiciest food challenge. That's a video idea he made. Like, we both, like, him and me, we both eat spicy food, and whoever survives the spicy food the longest wins a point. That's a video idea. Shout out to Gaming Feather. I think his actual name is Gaming Fighter 64, I think. I do not know. I think it is, I think it isn't, I do not know. But all I know is that I'm going to win this game. I'm not. Oh my god, bro, he blundered his queen. Let's go. So that's my only shout out right now. And also shout out to every YouTuber of mine, followers of mine. Thank you very much for this journey. It's been very long since I've made this channel. Ever since. Oh my god, I blundered. No. I blundered. But still, thank you for all the love and support you guys have been giving me. Even though it's not that much, it's still much for me. Oh my god, I know. Are you serious right now, brother? You know what, I quit. I just quit. Bro, I cannot even see anything. It's all white. Oh, 2 more. Oh, messages. Let's go. One from you. Oh. Community events. Rapid opening roulette. Untitled Tuesday. Free Thursday. Freestyle Friday. Bullet Brawl. Nice. Thank you for that. Oh, Judith Polyger versus the world. Doesn't matter that much. One more message, bro. Give me another message. Challenge to play. No. Okay, guys. I don't know. Oh yeah. Also, another warning. Another warning. I have 2 chess tournaments actually. One of them is it's next week, and one of them is last week of March till April 1st. Alright? Till April Fools. I don't know why, but it's supposed to be like that. Video reaction time. This isn't no. This is it. Oh, the largest.
This is the largest slice of pizza in the entire world.
Oh wow! Thank you, Jimmy.
This pizza is literally 6 feet and taller than Carl. My ego's shattered. It just doesn't stop. It's still going. It's still going. It's so big. And this is Joey Chestnut, the fastest competitive eater in the entire world.
Nice. I think he's a big back.
Record for hot dogs eaten, but he has so many more. Here's a quick montage of it.
Yeah, he's definitely a big back. Get out. He's a big back.
Holding the most world records. This guy is insane. And before we eat 18 pounds of pizza, let's see how much Chris, Chandler, and I weigh. Combined, me and the boys weigh 537 pounds. We should be easily able to out-eat Joey. We're big boys. He only weighs 229 pounds. Well, that's a big mama. Mr. Joey, here is your world record slice of pizza. I'm really hungry right now. This looks good. This is 9 pounds. It's like you're eating Chris's baby. Yeah,
Huh?
What? And this,
God,
I put 100 people inside of a giant circle, and whoever leaves the
button.
circle last
Why is
wins
there a button there?
500,000.
We're gonna react to that
Red line.
later.
It's game over. I don't care how long this takes. Whichever one of you leaves last wins $500,000.
Oh my god. My god, it's not gonna be.
$100,000.
Oh.
My schedule. I am literally good for the next 3 weeks.
However long that takes, weeks, months, it doesn't matter.
How long are you staying in this circle?
Well, I took off work until January 1st.
You took off work for the next 6 months?
Literally 100 people. This place is packed. They brought grass down. The possibilities are endless.
There's only one smart thing to do. Just begin the hibernating process.
This guy right here is already thinking about getting out. He might be our first loser.
To be honest, there's 100 people here. I'm not gonna win. What's the point?
Hey, everybody! This guy just said he wants to get out. All right, let's see it.
Oh, sorry, guys.
we're playing this so much. Just step out. Oh! Even though you got out first, I still have a prize for you. Just wait here. Congratulations, you just won a brand new car for being first out. Who would have thought being a loser would pay off?
Someone just left. Honestly, I knew he'd be first. I smelled the weakness from the beginning.
Massive morale boost. Everyone's weak like that, they're gonna be gone in no time.
Time to update the board. 99 remain. Good luck. Knowing they can win a random prize definitely wore a few people down. And after a couple of hours, things got a little emotional.
This is gonna change my life. Tomorrow I'm gonna take a lot of it to pay my bills. Thank you so much.
I was not expecting that. She's got me about to cry. I
How?
can't wait to see how the person
Wait, what? What? He push, you push, and now you promote to a king. There's a king, and you can actually not do that. It's false. You cannot. En passant on the rook is impossible. Huh? Number 1 degree murder. Rook takes the rook. Somehow. 9/11 opening. That's not my birthday. I wish it was. 7/11 is my birthday. Huh? I don't know how that's a real opening. But it is. Can you do... How can the queen move like a knight? On dice. Huh? That's impossible. Guys, when it gets impossible, it's only 100. That's also impossible, guys. That's just chess. That's it. Hello, if you like the video.
This is the
Yes.
Blitz Chess Championship, where the best players in the world compete to become the Blitz
Sorry,
World
guys.
Champion. And
I'm
while
so
Magnus
small,
Carlsen has
I'm
been the
not-
crown champion here, winning the
I'm
past
not-
2 Blitz
I'm now
championships
enormous.
without issue,
Wow.
a powerful contender
Hikaru Nakamura
was
is so big.
ranks, demolishing everybody. Being known for his inhuman speed and deadly accuracy, Hikaru was starting to pose a huge threat to Magnus's
no,
crown,
that's
earning
bad.
a 16.5 score after
That's
beating
bad.
Ralph Mamadov, tying Magnus for first place. It was now time for the title match, with both players knowing they need
What if it
to
happens in a
become the
draw,
Blitz World
guys?
champion. Magnus starts by
I
moving
may
his
not,
pawn to D4,
I may
which
be
Hikaru automatically
good in
responds
chess,
to
but I'm not
with
a
knight
chess
F6.
grandmaster,
Magnus
guys.
then plays knight
I'm only
F3,
a
with
normal
Hikaru briefly
chess
considering
player.
options before going with D5. Upon developing their starting pieces, the game begins with the London system,
The London-
where Magnus has a bishop at great center,
My
which
God.
is why Hikaru
Sorry, guys,
now plays
I
bishop
just
to
have a
D6
little bit
here,
cold.
with Magnus deciding to trade bishops and soon after trading down the DNC pawns.
Wait.
Each trade Magnus makes favors
Yep.
him, as
That's
in their
perfect,
previous
though.
encounters, Magnus is known to win most of their endgames. And with that, Magnus decides to play his pawn to C4, which Hikaru thinks about for some time before trading down another set of pawns and activating Magnus's bishop. Hikaru castles his king to safety, not knowing this move was the beginning of his worst nightmare. Magnus starts this nightmare by playing rook c1, putting an X-ray on Hikaru's queen, which makes Hikaru think again before moving his queen back to safety. Magnus then castles his king and his rook, which Hikaru responds to by moving his pawn
guys?
to b6. After a few moves, Magnus offers another bishop trade, which Hikaru reluctantly agrees to. Magnus then jumps in the center with knight e5, which Hikaru, after a minute of thinking,
sorry, guys.
tries trading off playing knight d7.
It's just the
Magnus
camera,
has different
guys.
plans, though,
Look.
playing queen f3, offering a queen trade, as Hikaru
It's just the
cannot
camera.
take the knight
That's
here
it.
without losing his queen. Hikaru moves his queen away, avoiding the queen trade. While Hikaru is clearly the faster player, his time is running much lower than usual. Magnus plays his knight to c6, threatening to check Hikaru's king.
That's bad.
Which Hikaru moves away again.
Now he's going to move.
This is where the fun begins. Magnus plays his knight to c4, knowing if he wants to win this match, he needs to strike now. This allows Hikaru to take a free pawn, which Hikaru very reluctantly goes for.
Oh my God,
But
bro,
free
I'm so
pawns can be a good
tired.
taking a free pawn against Magnus
isn't
Very
so good.
dangerous. Magnus plays G5,
It's bad.
threatening to attack Hikaru's
Because
knight
he
on
is
F6,
literally
which
the
Hikaru
number
counters
one
by
chess
playing
player.
his other knight to
Guys, I
C5,
need to clean this.
opening a
Wait.
square up for his attacked
Sorry.
knight to escape. Magnus plays knight to D6, adding another attack to the center, with an aim at the F7 square. And it's at
That's
this moment
bad.
when Hikaru starts to crack. While his best move was to take another pawn with queen b2, Hikaru goes in for an attack by moving his knight to b3,
Huh.
which quietly, completely destroys all his winning chances. Magnus plays his rook to c2, moving his rook away from the attack, which Hikaru attacks again by playing queen a4. Unfortunately, this is the nail in the coffin for Hikaru, with Magnus playing a devastating move, moving his rook to c4, attacking Hikaru's queen again. Magnus then delivers a deadly blow, attacking Hikaru's knight with his pawn to g5, which after Hikaru moves, will allow Magnus's pieces to bully Hikaru's king. Apparently Hikaru didn't like the sound of this, as he starts shaking his head, realizing the terrible mistake he's made. He moves his knight to the only square possible, but unfortunately it's too late. Magnus plays his rook to h4, then after winning some material, trades off Hikaru's knights for his rook. Hikaru goes for his last chance, playing his rook to f8, hoping to find a checkmate on Magnus aiming for f2, but Magnus sees this, and playing his rook to f4 completely eliminates any chance of
that's
Hikaru
bad.
winning the match, as
That's
if Hikaru
bad.
takes the rook, Magnus will checkmate
That's
him
not
with the
me.
back rank.
Guys, sorry for ruining it, but this is not checkmate. Because rook can block, but then it's mate.
Hikaru decides to resign, crowning Magnus Carlsen the third time in a row Blitz World Champion.
Nice. Well, guys. Well, I am done for now. I'm going to do, guys. If we reach 20 subscribers, I'm gonna speedrun all my games. All right. Or when I reach 100 subscribers, all right, guys. I have a deal with you. If you make this happen, I'm gonna crash out. But if we reach 100,000 subscribers or our first play button, I will do whatever the first comment says. Alright, guys? Alright? Every YouTuber made this deal, but I'm going to make it, alright? Promise me, guys, alright? Alright, guys. Let's go. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. See you soon, and peace.